The third part to getting rich is about reducing your living cost. The very first step you should take when trying to reduce your cost of living is to get on a strict personal budget. This will help you wrap your head around your spending habits, monthly income, and overall financial situation. Beyond that, budgeting also helps you create a roadmap to every one of your financial goals. 1. Try using a lot of coupons. When you can get paid to bring items home that you frequently use, it's one of the greatest emotions in the world. You can actually get paid to coupon if you follow these steps correctly. Worst case scenario, you'll save a few extra dollars that you can put away for an emergency. In the best case scenario, you'll get heaps of free items and end up richer. 2. Buy in quantity. Although it's not the simplest method, it's typically the most effective. It can make excellent financial sense if you can borrow money or invest in a membership to a bulk retailer. Brand name goods may occasionally be offered for purchase at steep discounts. Purchase 4 pre-cooked chickens at closing time if you're hungry and a fan of chicken. You can get at least 10 full dinners for roughly $1 each when they occasionally dip from $5 to $2.50 a piece. 3. Take up food canning. In almost everywhere, up to 40% of food is wasted before it is even consumed. Succulent peaches, blueberries, and even meats can be canned and saved for enjoyment later. Be wise in your food purchases and consume it. Food wasted is money wasted. 4. Cut back on your utility costs. If you let them, utilities like gas, electricity, and water can significantly affect your monthly spending. So refrain. Think carefully about how to keep your house warm in the winter and cool in the summer. If you want to convert the solar energy from the sun into electricity, you can even think about purchasing or installing solar panels. Keep your utility costs low and watch your savings grow. 5. Get a home energy audit. You'll be able to calculate how much money is being lost from your house as a result of lost energy this way. If you're the diligent sort, you can carry out your own energy audit, but don't be afraid to engage a specialist to finish the audit for you. It shouldn't be cheap, costing between $300 and $500. But over time it might enable you to save considerably more than that. 6. Forage or go hunting for food. This is a cheap option to obtain your own food if you already have the necessary equipment and permissions. Depending on where you live, it's rather simple to forage for food if you feel strongly about not killing animals. Just be sure to only forage for food whose provenance and nutritional value you are certain. Never enjoy getting sick or poisoned. In the fall, select edible flowers, gather wild mushrooms, or go food foraging. Build a greenhouse or begin guerrilla gardening. In all, do things that will minimize your living expenses and see your investment grow. Please give us a like and we will see you in the next video.